Let's take a look at how the content is actually displayed. I'm going to click on Manage Display in both 7 and 8. So the format looks pretty similar. We have the field, label, and format on both sides, and the options are pretty similar as well. One difference is that in the label, in 7 we could choose above, inline, or hidden, whereas in Drupal 8 we also get one additional option for visually hidden. If visually hidden is selected, then CSS will hide the label, but it will still display in the source code, which can be useful for screen readers. Under tags, there's also some more options for displaying. In addition to the label, which is the same as link in Drupal 7, we also can display the rendered entity. So if you think of tags as pieces of content, that content will display with its description and all of its fields instead of just a link to the tag category. This is pretty cool. And there's also the entity ID option, which isn't available in Drupal 7. In the label option, you can click the cogwheel to select whether you want to link it back to the taxonomy term page. There's no way around that in Drupal 7, but in Drupal 8 you can use plain text if you'd like.